Hi guys, welcome to this session by Simplilearn. Today, we will learn about the two important data visualization and business intelligence tools, namely Power BI and Tableau. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. This video will help you learn the major differences between the two tools. First, we will look at the history of Power BI and Tableau, followed by their cost. Then, we will see which of them has better performance and a good user interface. After that, we will look at the different data sources to which Power BI and Tableau can connect with. Next, we will get an understanding of the programming languages that they support and their data visualization capabilities. You will then get an idea of how Power BI and Tableau support machine learning and which of them has better customer support. You will see the current trends of both the tools and you will understand where these tools are positioned in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for 2020. Finally, I will tell you how Simplilearn can help you start your career in Power BI and Tableau. Now let's begin with understanding the history of Power BI and Tableau. So what really is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics service provided by Microsoft. It has the capability to analyze and visualize data, extract insights, and share it across various departments within your organization. Power BI makes data visually appealing. It has easy drag and drop functionality with features that allow you to copy all formatting across similar visualizations. Power BI fetches data from factory sensors and social media sources to get access to real-time analytics. Let's see what Tableau really is. Tableau is a powerful business intelligence tool which manages the data flow and turns data into actionable information. It can create a wide range of different visualizations to interactively present the data and showcase insights. Tableau has the feature of drag and drop, which allows its users to create interactive visuals quickly. It can also build interactive dashboards with just a few clicks. So Power BI was originally designed by Ron George in the summer of 2010, and the initial release was available for public download on 11th of July 2011. The key components of Power BI are Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile Apps, Power BI Gateway, and Power BI Report Server. Tableau software was founded in 2003 in Mountain View, California, and the Tableau Desktop 1.0 was released in 2004. On 1st of August 2019, Salesforce acquired Tableau. Tableau products include Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, Tableau Visible, Tableau Public, and Tableau Reader. Now, let's see how expensive these tools are. Power BI is way less expensive than Tableau software. Power BI Professional version costs less than $10 per month per user. The yearly subscription comes around $100. Power BI Premium is licensed with dedicated cloud compute and storage resources and is priced at $4,995 per month. On the other hand, Tableau is more expensive, where the Pro version of Tableau comes at more than $35 per month per user. The yearly subscription costs around $1,000. Tableau Creator costs around $70 per month, while Tableau Viewer is priced at $12 per month. If you are a startup or a small business, you can opt for Power BI and then upgrade to Tableau if the need arises. Now coming to performance, Power BI is easy to use. It is faster and performs better when the volume of data is limited. Power BI tends to drag slow when handling bulk data. But Tableau can handle large volumes of data easily. It is faster and provides extensive features for visualizing the data. Tableau doesn't limit the number of data points in a visualization or enforce row or size limitations. So you can have a complete view of your data. Tableau's wide range of built-in analytic capabilities allows you to spend less time worrying about manually creating calculations, designing visualizations, and formatting dashboards. Now let's discuss the user interface of these tools. The user interface of Power BI is highly intuitive, and it can easily be integrated with other Microsoft products. Power BI interface is easy to learn and understand. It is user-friendly and allows you to operate better. Power BI Desktop provides 3 views which you can select on the left side of the canvas. The first view is of the report view, where you can create reports and visuals. The next is the data view. In this view, you can see the tables, measures, and other data used in the data model associated with your report, and transform the data for best use in the reports model. And third is the model view. In this view, you can see and manage the relationships among data in your data model. Tableau has an intelligent interface that enables you to create and customize the dashboards according to your requirements easily. It has an inviting workspace area that encourages you to experiment with data and get smart results. The workspace area has different cards and cells, toolbar, sidebar, data source page, status bar, and sheet tabs. With that, let us now talk about the different data sources that Power BI and Tableau can connect with. Another important feature of Power BI is that it supports various data sources but has limited access to other databases and servers compared to Tableau. Some of the examples are Microsoft Excel, text or CSV files, folders, Microsoft SQL Server, AccessDB, Oracle Database, IBM DB2, MySQL Database, PostgreSQL Database, etc. Tableau software has access to numerous data sources and servers such as Excel, text file, PDF, JSON, statistical file, Amazon Redshift, Cloudera Hadoop, Google Analytics, Dropbox, Google Sheets, Google Drive, and lots more. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Power BI enjoys a slight edge in terms of ease of use because it is based on a user interface that has its roots in Microsoft Office 365, which most end users are already familiar with. Tableau provides some essential advantages for exploring and visualizing data in detail. Tableau is also incorporating natural language capabilities into its software. This will help us in finding solutions to complex problems by understanding the data better. Next, let us understand how Power BI and Tableau differ in terms of programming support. Power BI supports data analysis expressions or DAX and M language for data manipulation and data modeling. It can connect with R programming language using Microsoft Revolution Analytics, but it is available only for enterprises level users. Compared to Power BI, Tableau integrates much better with R language. Tableau Software Development Kit can be implemented using any of the 4 programming languages such as C, C++, Java, and Python. By connecting to these programming languages, you can build even more powerful visualizations. Now coming to the most important category, which is data visualization. Power BI provides an easy to use drag and drop functionality. It provides features that make data visually appealing. Power BI offers a wide range of detailed and attractive visualizations to create reports and dashboards. Using Power BI service, you can ask questions about your data and it will give you meaningful insights. Tableau also allows its users to customize dashboards specifically for a device. It delivers interactive visuals that support insights on the fly. It can translate queries to visualizations and makes you ask questions, spot trends, and identify opportunities. No coding knowledge is required to work on Tableau, as Tableau provides inbuilt table calculations to build reports and dashboards. Now talking about machine learning and how they are different from each other. Power BI enjoys the advantages of Microsoft Business Analytics that includes platforms such as Azure Machine Learning, SQL Server-based analysis services, data streaming in real time, and many Azure database offers. It helps to understand the data and analyze the trends and patterns in the data. You can also forecast the data to make future predictions. Tableau supports the features of Python machine learning. This enables it to perform machine learning operations over the dataset. Finally, let's talk about customer support. Microsoft Power BI is relatively younger in the market than Tableau and hence it has a smaller community. While Tableau has over 160,000 active users participating in over 500 global user groups and over 150,000 active customers participating in the Tableau online community. Next, on the screen, you can see the Google Trends for both the tools over the last 5 years from 2015 onwards. As you can see, Tableau is a clear front runner and is more popular these days with high search volume. Now talking about the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and Business Intelligence platforms. So for 13 consecutive years, Gartner has recognized Microsoft as a Magic Quadrant leader in analytics and business intelligence platforms. And it has recognized Tableau as a leader in business intelligence after Microsoft. You can see there are other popular tools such as Qlik, ThoughtSpot, cSense, Oracle, SAS, SAP, and Salesforce. Now I will tell you how Simplilearn can assist you in learning Power BI and Tableau and help you become an expert in business intelligence. So let me take you to our website. I'll open a new tab. Let me search for simplilearn.com. I'll now search for Power BI in the search bar. So let me type Power BI here. I'll click the first link, which is the Power BI certification training course. So this course will help you learn about Microsoft Power BI desktop layouts. You will learn how to build business intelligence reports, dashboards, Power BI data analysis expressions, commands, and functions. So this is the course content. You learn about desktop layout, features, the views, connecting to common data sources. You learn about the query editor and its functionality. Then you will learn how to create relationships in your data model. You learn about calculated columns and measures, built-in aggregations. You will also learn about data visualization practices, reports and dashboard layout, creating a sales analysis report, and lots more. Let me go back, and now I'll search for Tableau. I'll click on the first link. So this is the course for Tableau certification training. So it's around 56 hours of in-depth blended learning. There are 4 real-time industry projects. You'll get lifetime access to self-paced learning videos, 2 simulation exams. On the right, you can see the skills that will be covered as part of this course. We'll learn Tableau statistics, building interactive dashboards. There's arithmetic, logical, and LOD calculations, which is level of detail. Learn about heat map, waterfall, Pareto, clustering, forecasting. And here you can see the entire course content. After learning this course, you can go ahead and take the Tableau certification. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.